It's 2 a.m. right now. You're on call. Your Kubernetes app just went down. Pods are crashing. Alerts are flying in. But instead of panicking, you debug, fix, and redeploy in minutes. All thanks to a fully automated CI/CD setup powered by Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. Tonight, I'll walk you through a real production incident simulation where everything from setup to recovery is fully automated. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with DevOps Engineer. In this video, I'm showing you a crash loop back-off simulation from start to finish using this repo I built called K8's production incident. Let's dive straight in. We will start by understanding the structure of the project. There are two main folders, Jenkins, Dockerized Bootstrap, and K8's prod incident demo. In this folder, we have Docker file, Docker Compose, plugins, Groovy script, configuration as code setup, start.sh, and environment file. Followed by we have a K8's prod incident demo, deployment.yaml file, and Jenkins file, deploy.sh. All the details are like mentioned in this particular README file. You can go through. If you subscribe to my newsletter, I am going to send this to your email. So let's get started. I'll start by running the script start.sh, which will set up everything in, let's say, in few minutes. Once our Jenkins setup is like kind of ready, we should see an email in our Slack channel. Our setup is kind of ready now. Let's dive into our Slack channel and see if there are any kind of alerts. Yes, it's 2:07 a.m. right now. I can see crash loopBackOff detected, fix deployment.yaml and push the fix to trigger redeploy. Pipeline failed. It's currently 2:07 a.m. as I record this. Why? Because this is what real DevOps feels like sometimes. Not always clean, not always quiet, but when you automate,
Chaos.
you win. This simulation isn't just code, it's a confidence builder. It helps you feel what it's like to fight production fires and come out stronger. As soon as I read this message, I try to log into my Jenkins real quick and let's go through the logs. What's there in the logs? I'm going to open this pipeline, click on console output and look at what's the issue. If I scroll through the logs, I see kubectl apply, deployment.yaml, app unchanged, sleeping, crash loop backoff, Slack sending pipeline. I see an error, crash loop backoff, awaiting code fix. Okay, according to the Slack message, we need to go to deployment.yaml. So let's quickly go to our repo. So this is our repository where we need to fix. This is my Jenkins file with all the steps. Let's jump into our deployment.yaml. So this is the error message. Now let's try to quickly fix this. Instead of this, we need to add nginx here. So echo simulating crash exit 1. So wantedly I wrote this. So I'm going to replace this with nginx -g daemon off and try to save the file real quick. So as soon as we save the file, we need to add to the changelog as well. So I am going to copy this and add the changelog real quick and say updated deployment file with nginx daemon off. I'm going to save this and let's try to real quick push the changes. Fix deployment file, commit and sync changes. So let's jump back to our Jenkins pipeline. Here, the job will start in 1 minute, but I would like to trigger it by myself. Okay, it is like starting already, so I will not do anything. Let's check if it will pass now. I'm going to click on the job console output and see if it works now. It's still running. Looks like crash. According to the log message, I see it is like false here. So that means we have a success message. Great. If we look at the pipeline as well, payment service is like now running. Thank God we were successfully able to solve this issue and our payment service is like finally running. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow my newsletter. I am going to send you the whole source code to your email. You can clone it, break it, fix it. This is how you become production ready. Thanks for watching.